Hey guys, quick video for you if you want to get the Weber Smoke and what are the things to be aware of, like the pros and cons if you want to actually acquire it and reasons why you shouldn't buy it. So yes, like Weber is an insane company. You got like great cooking space for it, also heats up crazy fast, temperature is also accuracy is dialed in, serious smoke flavor, true set it and forget it, the app actually works. So it's very good, okay? That's what I want to share first. Cleanup is also easy, so you can see right here. But the cons, you cannot sear. This is dedicated smoker, not a grill. It smokes, bakes and roasts, but isn't designed for direct heat, and that's very important. And max temperature is about 500 Fahrenheit, and the grill just doesn't get hot enough to get a good sear. You'll need a finished steak on the cast iron inside, okay? No side tables included. The side table isn't large enough to hold even one rack of ribs. Weber sells a side table accessory, where you can see like for $125, $124, but the prices feel inflated, and it I mean, like, it really is, to be honest. Like the $124, it's like, I don't know. Also the wheels feel cheap too. That's like another thing, as you can see right here. The wagon style wheels roll fine across patios, but the plastic design feels like the one area that could use an upgrade. Also a very important thing. Then another thing, it's like lighter construction, still to be aware of. And the pellet debris builds up, so that's kind of also important. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So still just like important things for you. Maybe it's like still good product, but I just wanted to make you like important things to be aware of. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.